What's up, everybody? Happy Saturday. Hope you are having a good day. It was a good day to be a car guy. This is Tons of Gas. Great shop here in Charlotte. This guy has a gem of a car collection. Tons of 80s and 90s vibes here. These cars bring back some great memories. And just what a collection. And what a gentleman for opening up his doors, opening up his shop like this, pulling out all his cars and just letting everybody walk around and experience them. Great guy, even fed everybody. Great Colombian food. I mean, what else can you ask for? So enjoy the walk around. We'll see you on the next one. What's up, good looking? Talk about the 80s Miami vibes here. That Porsche was from Miami, so was that one. Miami white. This guy's from Miami too. Man, and the Diablo. Come on.
So, hey, if you say you're getting
He owns all of them.
Were you born then?
81.
81.
Almost.
The dog, yeah? Yeah, I like that.
Vintage.